Hey, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a meal prep chicken pizza wrap. So if you are looking for some brand new meal prep recipes, then I have the perfect video for you today. So be sure to stay tuned because I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these yummy, delicious, super high protein chicken pizza wraps. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous and I make videos like this every single week. And my whole goal is to teach women how to lose weight for good in a healthy and sustainable way so they can have more energy and have more confidence and just feel so good in their skin. And I believe that protein is key, especially when it comes to losing weight. So I like to create delicious, yummy, high protein recipes so you can enjoy some of your favorite foods while losing weight and becoming fit and fabulous. So if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. Plus, if you do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Ding! And that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. So if you're ready to learn how to make a brand new meal prep recipe, then let's get started. So the very first thing you're gonna need is some boneless, skinless chicken breast. And so we're just gonna cut that into bite-sized pieces like so. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it into a bowl because we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil and some seasoning. So we're just gonna add about, about a half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of Italian seasoning. So I actually love using the seasoning. You can pretty much season it with whatever, but I figure like Italian seasoning makes it really taste like pizza-y. So we're gonna mix that up. And then what we're gonna do is we are gonna cook that on the stove. So first off, I like to spray my pan with a little bit of Pam coconut spray. I use that stuff all the time. I love it. So we're just gonna cook our chicken just on like medium to high heat, just so it's thoroughly cooked and so the juices run clear and so it's maybe just like a little bit crispy on the outside. I mean, you can pretty much cook it like however you want. Now, if you wanna add like a little bit of salt and pepper on it, you totally can, or if you just wanna add like a few more spices, maybe like garlic salt, or any other kind of spices that you like to use. So we're just gonna cook our chicken on the stove until it's done. So now that we have our chicken cooked, you just wanna put that into a bowl and let it cool for a little bit. So the first thing we need is a wrap. So I like to use these protein wraps. They're delicious and they work really well in like meal prep, like wraps of like any kind. Super high in protein. I think there's like 10 grams of protein per wrap, which is amazing. So I like to put a little piece of parchment paper on the bottom and then I have my wrap. And then I have my scale because I am gonna be measuring out my chicken. So you just wanna turn on your scale, just make sure it goes to 0, and then we are gonna measure out 125 grams of chicken. Now, if you guys wanna add a little bit more chicken, you can, or if you don't wanna even like add that much, you can definitely add like say like 100 grams of chicken. It's completely up to you. I do like to weigh it out. That way I know that every single like pizza wrap is basically has like the same amount of chicken in each of them. So then we're gonna put that onto our wrap. Then we're gonna add a little bit of pizza sauce. So just go and grab your favorite pizza sauce, whatever kind that is. And then we're just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce to our chicken. So I kind of like to cover all of the chicken. So it's about like 2.5 tablespoons usually. And then we're gonna sprinkle a little bit more of Italian seasoning on top just to get a little bit more flavor on there. And then we're gonna add some cheese. So this is just some skim milk mozzarella cheese. So I'm gonna be measuring this out just so I know that I have the same amount of cheese per wrap. So I'm just gonna be using 1 serving of the mozzarella cheese, which is 30 grams. So for the serving size, of course, you just want to look at the back of the package and then just determine what it says for serving size. So of course, for this mozzarella cheese, like I was saying, it is 30 grams. So then we are going to add that to our chicken and pizza sauce like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it up. Now, if you guys want to like fold in the sides, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. As you can tell, I'm not the greatest folder when it comes to like wrapping these pizza wraps. I usually do get better with time. Usually like it takes me a couple tries and then I eventually do get better. But I do like to wrap it up in the parchment paper, and then I like to use a piece of tin foil and then of course like wrap it up like so. And then what I like to do is I like to take a permanent marker and then just write on the tin foil exactly what it is. So I just put chicken, pizza wrap, and then I put how much chicken I actually put in it. So as you guys can see, 125 grams of chicken, like so. And that is honestly how easy it is, you guys. So then you just keep measuring it out. So you just go and grab yourself another wrap, measure out the chicken, put the chicken on, put some pizza sauce on, put a little bit more of like the Italian seasoning, you put your mozzarella cheese on, and then you wrap it up and you're like pretty much good to go. Now you can store these in the freezer for, I would say, probably like a month to maybe like 2 months. They can last like a long time in the freezer. Now, when you guys go to heat these up, you can either defrost them in the fridge and then heat them up in the microwave from there, or you can actually just like heat them up from frozen. Now, when I go to heat up my wraps, I usually actually take them directly from the freezer. Of course, you want to take them out of the tin foil because tin foil does not do good in the microwave. Take them out of the tin foil. I do leave the parchment paper on the plate just so that the wrap doesn't actually stick to the plate as it's cooking. And then I put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes on one side, and then I flip it, and then I cook it for about 1.5 minutes to like 2 minutes on the other side. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe today. It is definitely one of my favorites. It's so easy to do. Basically, it takes like, I don't know, maybe like half an hour or so to actually like whip up, and then you pretty much have lunch for like the entire week. It's amazing. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, be sure to let me know if you guys do decide to try this meal prep recipe. I would love to know as well in the comment section down below. Anyways, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, love you.